हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन। मेरा नाम है बिनी और आप हैं मेरे चैनल पे। टुडे इज़ अ न्यू डे, न्यू बिगिनिंग, न्यू राइड। इनफैक्ट 2 हफ्ते से हम लोग ने राइड नहीं किया था। वी डिसाइडेड लास्ट नाइट दैट वी वुड वांट टू टेक अ राइड। वी आर लीविंग फॉर महूड़ी टुडे। सो इट्स अबाउट 6:45 राइट नाउ और मुझे पहुंचना है 7 बजे के करीब। मैं 15 मिनट है मेरे पास टू गेट रेडी एंड गेट गोइंग। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द व्लॉग। Okay, so when I keep saying this to every single one, riding for me is not about going for a breakfast or going for a chai or sutta. It has to also involve some kind of exploration, something to look forward to. In fact, all the boys wanted to do a morning breakfast ride to this mall in Anand, and I'm like, not really, yaar, I'm not up for it. But eventually I convinced them to come to Mahudi. Now, why Mahudi? So Mahudi is a small village in Gujarat where you also have a Jain temple. And also Mahudi is very known for the sukhdi that they give. Sukhdi is basically this Gujarati dessert. So वो तो obviously आप लोग को देखना मिल ही जाएगा. You're not just going there for a sutta or a chai. It's much more than just going and talking about some random stuff, riding to some random place and just coming back. For me, riding is also a lot about exploring. The whole reason we started riding, did we? Here she is. Okay, alright then. Alright everybody, welcome to this amazing beautiful morning in Ahmedabad. So I've been told boys are going to get about 15-20 minutes late. So let's start the vlog and you sit back and enjoy the ride. Nice. Look at that. I had a feeling I was only the one who was going to be here, but then welcome everyone.
7 बजे आना होता है, 7 बजे निकलना नहीं होता।
भाई I had a word with everyone. तो मेरे को लगा वो अभी आते आते टाइम लेगा, वो भी आते आते टाइम लेगा। ऐसे फिल अप करके निकला मैं। That's Manit everyone, the newer one. Manit is here, very talented kid, and on his Ninja 300, which looks really nice. So finally at Mahudi, but I wanted this frame, by the way. Just this frame. This is what I wanted here. So finally here at Mahodi. This is where I want to come right after this. So at Mahodi, super glad that we're here actually, and on time. I think there's a puja that is going to happen as well. Proper time wale riders hai. So we're keeping all our stuff in the locker room, which I had no idea. You can just randomly come here and keep it.
Generally there is a guy sitting here.
Huh.
Today is not there.
So we'll just go to the mandir now. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. And
One is a Jain temple, one is a Ghantakar Mahavir temple.
तो ये तुम लोग को explain करना पड़ेगा. Both of you are Jains, no? Manit and Viraj both are Jains. And in the middle you will see a Patla. All he wants to do is just ride.
કરવા પ્રાર્થના કરીએ દરેક જગ્યાએ પ્રસાદ મળે ત્યાં જઈએ જ છે.
પણ તને પ્રસાદ મળતો નથી, એ જ તો પ્રોબ્લેમ છે. પ્રસાદના એમાં તું નીકળી જાય છે પણ પ્રસાદ મળતો નથી તને.
मंदिर में से बात नहीं करना.
Okay, explain where and what. So पहले तो explain about this temple. It's a Jain temple. Why is it so popular?
There is one saint called Buddhisagar Sureshwari Mother. He has developed this temple. I don't know the history and all, but this is mainly famous because of this Ghantakar Mahavir statue, idol and all. So people come here. Even non-Jains are frequently coming here because of this.
Super, yeah.
फुल पूजा लगे एक सोने आत्मा 5,000.
It's just sad that you cannot shoot in the temples here in India. But anyways, we're done with both the temples. This is something that I definitely want to do. What you do is you take a plate of sukhdi and then give it like a prasad to them, and they'll take some and give you the rest, and we can finish eating
Very
them.
nice.
I would want to for sure.
બેસો ને અહીંયા ઊભા ઊભા કેમ ખાવા?
ये भी साची बात है.
તો અહીંયા જગા તો છે સ્પેશિયલ.
Mind blowing it is. कहाँ? Oh yeah?
इसको जूठा नहीं छोड़ सकते, तो इसको मंदिर के बाहर भी नहीं ले जा सकते.
वो उसका क्या है? ये पॉइंट क्या है?
ऐसा मानते हैं कि ऐसा होता है तो उसके साथ बुरा होता
રાજ है.
है. तो people believe that. किसी के साथ हुआ भी है.
एंड इट्स आल्सो अ फैक्ट कि कोई ले बाहर लेके जा भी नहीं पाता.
You have to clean your mouth as well. Before reading this.
Awesome. But this is one of the bestest, tastiest sukhdi I've ever had.
अभी जो भगवान है ना, उनकी पूरी मूर्ति गोल्ड प्लेटेड है. तो साल में सिर्फ एक दिन उनके ओरिजिनल स्टोन में होते हैं.
काली
बिफोर
चौदस.
दिवाली. हाँ,
काली चौदस.
वो एक ही
हवन
दिन
होता है पूरा.
वो
और
एक ही दिन होता है जब एक्चुअल कौन सा कलर का स्टोन है ना वो आप देख सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू कैन नॉट सी दैट.
So the sukhdi is so tasty that we're going to get some more. And I know 4 of us, we can kind of finish one plate as well. Huh, Parth?
Yes.
So some more sukhdi. And also it's one of the tastiest sukhdi that I've ever had. So
Yes.
thumbs up, Mahodi. So basically you have to take a token to get sukhdi. We've got some 50 rupees ka. This plate
ये गरम है,
है ना?
बहुत गरम है.
So that means we were supposed to do this. We were supposed to eat. God wanted us to eat some hot sukhdi. So basically मैंने अपने boots पहन लिए हैं. But Parth is going to go inside. Are you going to go inside?
प्रियंका
Parth is going to go inside. ऐसा बोलते हैं कि थोड़ी धरानी पड़ती है. And then so he is going to go inside and धराएंगे, and then we'll go there and eat. So done with the darshan. Now we're planning to go do some off-roading here in Mahudi. We have absolutely no idea. Manit has given all the ideas now. We're just dragging these guys also in. Alright then, we're all set to leave. So we're also planning to go for some off-roading site that Manit knows. We'll see how it is. I can just feel the breeze, this amazing fragrance of village. I love this fragrance. वो चूल्हे का खाना, गाय, भैंसें, simple living, this rustic architecture, these rustic housings, raw as hell, yeah. As much as you have all the comforts in the cities that you can do every single thing, villages are where you can really live your life. Like the real fun of living is in villages. So this is what it is?
हाँ?
This is the off-road?
अभी तो शुरू हो रहा है.
Super.
जाना है?
What do you want to do? कितना टाइम लगेगा?
जितना आपका को जाना हो तो 10 मिनट में जाते वापस जितना हो सके.
Or else we'll do it later if you want to do. ठीक है, done. तो फिर then हाँ petrol done. Alright, cool. So basically this is where the off-roading can be done at Mahudi. Next time we can come. So yeah, so we've now seen the off-roading wala scene. That's where you could do it. Next time when we come with all the boys, we know where to come. And all we're planning to do now is head off to Ahmedabad, because Viraj apparently has to reach, and we all decided that we'll probably do that now. तेरे कॉफी कलेक्शन के लिए कब बुला रहे थे?
देखते हैं अभी.
साले चीपड़े. So apparently Parth has some crazy coffee collection, but he never calls us home because he thinks that we'll finish all of it.
It's my treasure.
Your treasure can be our pleasure as well.
Can we both?
Viraj and Parth, they had to leave for home. Me and Manit, we have come to Mocha, some good coffee, and we are the only ones apparently around. It's about 11:05 और 11 बजे खुलता है. मोका खुलता है कितने बजे? 11 बजे. So 11 बजे ऑफिशियल टाइम है इनका खुलने का. हम लोग 10 मिनट पहले ही आ गए. So enjoying some good coffee, and then we'll head off again home. Sweet home. Also to join us, Mehboob, who was just around. क्या हाल है महबूब?
हो गया, चलो बस बढ़िया है.
आजकल कौन से एक्टर्स आ रहे हैं? अहमदाबाद में कौन आ रहा है जल्दी?
नवरात्रि में धूम मचाएंगे, बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं.
कौन कौन आ रहा है?
एंजॉय करने के लिए बड़ौदा, सूरत, अहमदाबाद, राजकोट, चारों जगह.
तेरे को मालूम है ना, ये गुजरात टूरिज्म वाले सब गाने मैं बना रहा हूँ.
कांग्रेट्स.
Just saying bye to Gandhinagar Mocha, some good coffee, breakfast. It's about 12:15 right now. That's Mehboob, every single one. Say bye. Alright then. Alright bro, I'll see you sooner. brilliant ride comes to an end. I'm so glad that we get to do all of this. So I'm back home from this brilliant ride. The best part is, we get to explore so many places. I just hate when somebody tells me to go for a breakfast ride or like a chai ride or something, which I just find absolutely nonsensical because I really want to go explore, see places and stuff. Something to look forward to. But anyways, having said that, this is it for this one. Hope you guys like it, and if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe button, the bell icon, everything. Just hit all of that and give me all the love.